There's a quote by George Eliot that says, "It's never too late to be what you might have been." This quote has a lot of power when it comes to taking action. We all make excuses for why we can't do the things we want to do, but the truth is that it's never too late to go after your dreams. It's never too late to be what you might have been. In fact, the idea of taking action is so popular these days in the self-help space. Almost everyone emphasizes the importance of taking daily, consistent action towards achieving our ultimate goal. But how can you make taking action a habit? I'll tell you how. You stop making excuses and start making progress. You stop being an armchair quarterback and start being a player on the field. You stop wasting time on social media and start getting things done. You stop complaining and start taking ownership. You stop being a victim and start becoming a champion. You stop dreaming and start doing. The only thing stopping you from achieving your goal is inaction. After researching a number of remarkable individuals who left the biggest impact in human history, we found that most of their successes are attributed to one core trait. That is, to always take daily, consistent action that is aligned to their ultimate purpose, no matter what. But we often find ourselves falling prey to procrastination from time to time. Have you ever found yourself procrastinating on your most important tasks, resulting in last-minute rush near the deadline? I have, and it doesn't feel good. So, I decided to experiment with different strategies for getting started on my to-do list. I found that there is a set of principles that you can follow to beat inaction permanently. Anyone can manifest their dreams as long as they have learned the power of taking action. Sadly, most people have no idea how to do it. They are desperate for a real solution in order to turn their life around. Today, I'm going to show you how to develop the habit of taking action and rewrite your own destiny, and how you can easily apply these strategies to catapult your life to a whole new stratosphere, while easily build a 6 to 7 figure self-help business empire by helping others succeed. Anyone who is into personal development will love what this transformational blueprint has to offer. Hi, this is Sean here, and on behalf of me and my partner Callie, we would like to introduce you to our latest self-help PLR. And this PLR will definitely blow you away. We share a common mission. That is to help people like you to create a thriving business that you are passionate about, so you can create real freedom for yourself and live the life you truly desire with private label rights. With your permission, let me ask you this. Are you ready to 10 times your profit and catapult your business to a whole new level? If you answered yes, then you have finally reached the right place to skyrocket your business with almost zero effort on your part. Now, not tomorrow, not in 12 months' time. Truth is, most online business owners give up just when they're about to make their next breakthrough. They quit on the 1-yard line, and I don't want you to be one of them. I'm going to show you how you can grab your slice from the billion-dollar opportunity if you stick with me till the end. Here are some common myths when it comes to making money online. Nope, you don't have to be an expert. You don't have to be a tech geek. Heck, you don't even have to spend hours ransacking the entire internet on strategies to make money online, which most of them don't work. So what is the secret when it comes to building a long-term profitable business? Think of all the top online business owners who are profiting at least 6 figures monthly. What do they have in common? They have their own product, courses, and that's how they built their brand. That said, the key to bringing your business to the whole new stratosphere is to have your own quality contents in the market, to the right audience, in the hottest niche, and at the right time. That's how you brand yourself as an authority figure and make your mark in your niche. However, product creation requires tons of hard work. The good news is I have a solution for you. What if I can provide you massive, high-quality content so you can dominate the self-help niche with ease? What if I can shortcut the entire product creation process for you, provide you a working business model so that you can start building your own lists and even generating sales right away? What if I do all the market research, handle all the stress and hard work for you, so that all you need to do is sit back, relax, and watch your business grow? Today, I'm going to give you full access to a brand new 100% unique product that you can sell to keep 100% of the profits. Introducing the power of taking action with full unrestricted PLR rights. This is one of the biggest topics in self-help. This PLR blueprint reveals how to get rid of inaction so that you can accomplish your goals and start living the life of your dreams. This transformational blueprint contains all the proven strategies and tactics to develop the habit of taking action, how to beat procrastination, tips to eliminate indecision, 5 little-known sources of motivation, how to turn inaction into action, the secrets to taking consistent action towards achieving your goals even when you're feeling unmotivated, and much more waiting to be uncovered inside. Ultimately, this is your customer's go-to self-help guide to those who are 100% committed to unleash their full potential and put an end to procrastination. One massive blueprint jam-packed with valuable information that your customers would thank you for, all with full, unrestricted private label rights. You can sell for 100% profits, edit the content, rebrand, be the author, put your name as the author, give away your list, membership site, build and grow your own membership site, feed your blog, repurpose the product and do whatever you want that fits your marketing needs, and so on. The choice is ultimately yours. Look, you're not looking at some crappy, scammy, third-rate business opportunity here. Our team and I worked hard to ensure that you'll get a complete, well-researched, and highly in-demand PLR package with full sales funnel, with impeccable content and beautiful graphics so that you can easily make a killing online. We've literally done all the heavy lifting for you. You get a total of 10 big modules for the entire package. That includes the complete checklist, mind map, DFY high-converting sales page and thank you page, hypnotizing video sales letter, DFY email swipes, the entire graphic vault, and license certificates. Also, you will get your exclusive 4,000-word 7 proven ways to turn inaction into action special report, alongside with done-for-you landing page to build your list and even pre-sell right from the get-go. That's a full-blown PLR package right there that saves you tremendous amount of time and money if you choose to outsource the whole thing. In other words, you don't have to waste your time on niche research. You don't have to burn thousands of dollars on expensive copywriters or graphic designers. You don't have to drive yourself nuts with endless content creation. Really now, producing your own content can take up a lot of free time that can otherwise be spent on other things like affiliate marketing, coaching programs, or closing high-ticket sales. Why start everything from scratch when you have a high-quality, done-for-you product at your disposal? And if you act today, you'll also score some fast action bonuses. This is for a limited time only, so if these bonuses are still listed below, you're still in time. Now and for an extremely limited time, we're offering this complete PLR package for far less than the lowest price of any PLR product you can see out there. Don't let the extremely low price fool you though. One of the core principles of our business is to make sure that you get the best value from us. So, for a limited time, we're giving away our top PLR package with high converting materials at basement price. I want to keep my promise to you that you can get everything you see on this page for an extremely affordable investment. Special discount only applies during this launch exclusive. Once the timer hits 0, the price will be radically increased. No ongoing fees or monthly fees. One unbelievable low price for a full-blown PLR package with exceptional contents, fully integrated with high-converting sales funnel ready to generate you continuous profits from just one sale. Now, even a no-brainer knows that this is a golden opportunity that doesn't come often. If you're afraid of getting stuck with another poor-quality PLR, remember that you're backed by our rock-solid 30-day money-back guarantee. We're so convinced that this is the best investment you could ever make that we are going to take all the risk away from you. At this very moment, really now, there's no way you can lose with this 100% winning deal if you act today. So why wait? Click on the order button below. Let the power of taking action PLR build the online freedom that you always wanted.